It's a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It's a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It means it's wonderful, it's amazing, hmm, extraordinary. Hmm. So, guys, now I am going to teach you. I'm making video on modal verb could. Could I have made a long time back, but today I'm making could have and its uses. Now, how to use could is a past tense and it's a modal verb. MODL model, not those models who are walking the ramp show and all. Model, it's a grammar. Model verb. MODAL VRB verb, model verb. Now past tense. अब इसमें क्या होता है? इसमें हिंदी also and English also. What happens? सकता है. Possibility. कर सकता था पर हुआ नहीं. It didn't happen. The work didn't happen. But we wish, for example, now in this could have, we put could have plus present perfect tense of action verb. So present perfect tense of action verb. How will put present perfect tense of action verb? Suppose I could have attended. No, attended is an action verb. Attending, attended. So I could have gone. Third form. I could have attended. We imagine possibility. I could have attended the party. But I stayed at home because of some reason. I stayed at home as I had severe fever. So बहुत बुखार था इसलिए मैं अटेंड नहीं कर सका. It didn't happen. But how in sentence will use? I could have gone ना बोलकर you can say I could have gone to the party. But party में जाना में gone ही नहीं आएगा ना. Go, going, gone, third form of the verb. Action verb, third form. First form, second form, third form, fourth form. I could have gone to the party. You can say, I could have attended the party, but reason. But I had severe fever, cough and cold. This way, we can make a lot of sentences. While speaking, you can use it. I could have taken French subject, but I didn't take. I could have taken French subject, but I chose it and English. मैंने English ले लिया. I could have. French भी easy था. If you know English, you can do French also. I could have. What I said? I could have taken English. Yeah, I could have taken French. But I chose English. I didn't take French. I could have taken English. Yeah, I could have taken French. So it makes sense. I could have taken French instead of English. But I chose. Chose मतलब मैंने चुना. Choose, choosing, chosen, chose. But I chose English. I felt that. मुझे ऐसा लगा English easy रहेगा. लेकिन French भी easy लगेगा हमें. If you know English already, he or she knows English. Then only she has taken English. No. But it is harder than English. So I could have taken French. मैं French ले सकता था. सकना. I could have taken French. But I chose English subject. ये भी हो गया. Mummy told you, yeah, she's saying, beta, why didn't you have food? That thing did not happen. So you can say, Mama, I could have taken lunch or dinner, whatever. I could have taken lunch or dinner. but but I didn't take. Why? Do you give the reason? I could have eaten dinner, but give reason now. I had a stomachache, so I didn't have. Mama, I could have had. I could have taken. I could have had. I could have eaten. So eat, eating, eaten, ate. You can take the. I could have eaten dinner. Yeah, I could have taken dinner. Or you can say I could have had. Have, having had. हम खाने के लिए had भी लगाते हैं ना. Have, having खा लिया तो had लगाते हैं. तो I could have eaten. या I could have had. Have, having had. और I could have taken. Take, taking, taken. तो out of these three, any action verb you can use, but you have to I could have के बाद plus present perfect tense. Okay, ये वाला लेने का third form. This is simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, simple past tense. So I could have taken, yeah, I could have had, yeah, I could have eaten lunch or dinner, but mummy, I had a stomachache. वो उस वक्त था. I had a stomachache. अब नहीं है. कल के बारे में पूछ सकते, पास्ट टेंस के बारे में. इट्स पास्ट टेंस. द थिंग डिडंट हैपन. व्हाई डिडंट हैपन? क्यों नहीं हुआ? इसीलिए. दिस वे आई या ही, my papa could have visited native place, but for some or the other reasons he didn't visit, because he was having his office work. It was March end. It was March to April end. He had to complete the office work. मार्च एंड जब हो जाता है ना, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? पूरा अकाउंट ऑडिटिंग करनी पड़ती है. सो माय पापा कुड हैव, जा सकते थे, बट माय पापा कुड हैव विजिटेड द नेटिव प्लेस फॉर हिज नीस वेडिंग. अपनी भांजी की शादी के लिए जा सकते थे, बट ही डिडंट गो. इंस्टेड ऑफ, माय मदर एंड आई विजिटेड. हम लोग, मम्मी, मैं और हमारी सिस्टर, हम लोग ने नीस की, पापा की नीस मतलब मामी की, मामा की, जो भी उनकी भांजी, उनकी बहन की पापा मामा लगे, बहन की लड़की की शादी थी. बट ही couldn't load or work. He was tied up. So my papa could have visited, but he didn't visit because of his niece. सगी नहीं है. It's not real niece. दूर की niece. Niece wedding. He couldn't attend. So why? My papa could have visited to attend niece wedding. Niece मतलब भांजी. But he stayed in Mumbai or wherever because he had lots of office work, as it was March ending and he had to complete the auditing work in the office. This way, guys, you can make sentences. I could have plus present perfect tense, third form वाला verb, और आगे आप sentence डाल देने का. So guys, for now some more sentences I'll make, and need you listen and watch while making sentences. What am I making? For example, I could have paid your fees, sir. I could have paid a fee, sir, but my phone server was down. So tomorrow I'll come and give you cash. एक ये हो गया. हाँ. We could have bought our new house, but we opted for rented. Because reason is that we didn't get our house according to Vastu Shastra. हाँ, so how will say हिंदी में कैसे बोलेंगे? हम लोग एक नया घर ले लेते थे, खरीद लेते थे. Bought मतलब buy कर लेते थे. Buy, buying, bought. We could have buy, buying, bought. We could have bought a new house, but we opted option. We opted for rented house for 11 months. Meanwhile, तब तो हम लोग सर्च कर लेंगे. तो वी कुड हैव, कर सकते थे, हम लोग कर सकते थे, पर पास्ट में हम नहीं किया. अब हम बोल रहे हैं, वर्तमान में बोलते. तो कुड हैव मतलब जब भी आप किसी से बात करते हो, प्रेजेंट जब बात करते हो, आप बोलते हैं वी कुड हैव बॉट ए न्यू हाउस, but we opted for a rented house. We'll buy after some time, after 11 months or after a year or so. By the time we'll stay on rented. I could have helped you, but this month I didn't receive my payment. मैं तुम्हें मदद कर सकता था, as you needed some 10,000 rupees, but I didn't receive my payment, so मैं आपको मदद नहीं कर सकता. So I'll make a sentence. I could have helped, helping, helped. I could have third form of action verb. I could have helped you. मैं कर सकता था पर मैंने नहीं किया. I could have helped you, bro या friend, but I didn't receive my payment yet. I could have helped you at this moment. So I'm very sorry for that. Could have reached early to the station if, अब यहाँ if possibility हो, we could have reached. We could have reached, reaching, reach, third form action verb. We could have reached to the railway station if क्या लगाएंगे हम लोग? If we would, अब यहाँ would आ जाएगा, फॉर्म में would आ जाएगा. पास्ट के बारे में बोल रहे ना. If we would left our house early, हम लोग स्टेशन पहुंच जाते थे, लेकिन हम टाइम पर पहुंचे नहीं. सो क्या बोलेंगे हम? We could have reached early, but we couldn't because we left late from the house. Leave, leaving, left, third form of verb. Okay, guys? For such informative videos, please subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you so much. Stay happy and healthy. So next will be would have and uses.